Hello everyone. So now in this video lecture I am going to explain you strings in PHP. First of all, what is string? For example, if I say sentence generally, okay? For example, if I say welcome to programming with Parul, hello, how are you? This all are the string. So in a programming terminology, I can say that a string is array of character, okay? So it can be think of as an array of characters. So it is possible to do something like this. For example, if I declare one variable that is my string and welcome to programming with Parul, that is a string value to this my particular variable, okay? And if I print my string with indexed at 11, so this will print P, okay? So this is the concept of a string in PHP. Very easy. You just need to take one variable, start with $sign, okay? And you just need to assign particular string. Now there are certain cases where we want to manipulate our string. For example, I want to convert it into uppercase, lowercase. I want to find something inside my string. I want to replace something, okay? So this all are the functions, and these functions are basically provided in PHP string, that is inbuilt function, okay? You don't have to define it, you just need to call for that particular function, okay? So let's see what are these functions, okay? Here we got a list of PHP string function. So there are many functions, and one that is a common in every language string module, that is strl, that len, that is how that function which is used to find length of string. So over here this one is our first function, that is strlen, string. Now over here in argument we need to pass string variable, okay? So this will return length of string. After that there is another function str, okay? So this string will, okay, let me simultaneously I will show you program for it, okay? So just okay, this one is my PHP page in my Apache NetBeans ID, okay? So this is my PHP script, and over here I am defining variable. The first one variable is my string 1 is equals to, let's say, Parul. I am just defining more than one string so that I can use this function properly, okay? After that my string 2 is equals to another welcome to programming with Parul, okay? After that let's say my okay, my string 3 is equals to, I want to this, okay, capital Parul, okay? So this is it. I have just declared 3 string, okay, 3 string variables. So first of all I want to use length function, strlen function, okay? So I am just going to directly print it out length of particular string. So echo Parul string okay, string 1 Parul length is, after that dot operator str. Now over here you can see that this all are the inbuilt function in PHP string module, okay? So these all are the inbuilt function, and I am gonna search for strl, Okay, so over here you got your functions strlen. Okay, now in this NetBeans you got description of that particular function also. So what does this function do? Get string length, return length of the given string. Okay, and these all are the parameters that you just need to pass. So I am calling this function, and for example, let's say I am looking for I am counting length of my string 3. Okay, not 3. Okay, it doesn't matter. Save this, and now refresh, not refresh, execute this. Now one thing that you should be careful about over here is that make sure that in background your Apache NetBeans, your Apache, it should be in running state. Over here this light green color mentioned that it is in running state. Okay, so your length is 5. Okay, so after that, let's see another function, echo break for new line. Now I'm calling for str. Now over here you can see the suggestions also, and we are looking for this one. Okay, string detail. Okay, I'm gonna for this, my string 3, my string 2, and str. Okay, this one. So now over here you can see that this is my string 3. Let me put it to, it will be 2, it is 1. Okay, so what gonna happen is that this my string 1, what is value of my string 1? It is Parul. Okay, and my string 2, this is welcome to programming with Parul. So what is going to happen is that this my string 1, it will be searched into this my string 2, and if it is found inside the string, then it will return particular portion in which it is found. Okay, and if it doesn't match anywhere, then it will return false. So save this, and I am just gonna refresh this page. Okay, so over here we got our Parul. Now let me just explain more about it. For example, I am just making it like that, Parul. Okay, now you just need to see this. You got your answer, Parul. That means what happened? This is what? Simple Parul. Okay, so this Parul is searched into this particular string. Okay, so it will start from here, and okay, you got it. Okay, so this string is substring of this particular portion. Okay, that's why this whole string is represented. But if it doesn't found, for example, okay, like that, then you can say that over here there is nothing. Okay, so that means that it is returning false. Now after that, there are a few more functions. For example, echo break dot str to str. Now you can see that str to lower. That means what will this function will do? This function will just okay, now you can see that make a string lowercase. That means you can convert your string into lowercase, same uppercase. Okay, or string to time. So these all are the function. For example, I'm gonna convert it into uppercase. Okay, so let me put it, and over here it is, let's say 2. Okay, refresh this page. Got your answer. Welcome to programming with Parul. Okay, after that, there is another interesting function, that is string replace. Okay, break to get our output new line. So what is function name? str underscore replace. Okay, you got your suggestions over here. Okay, so this one is our replace, search, replace and subject. Now if I just there are two versions of this function. Okay, search, that means what we want to search, what we are looking for. For example, I am looking for parul. With this word, with what word I want to replace it and in which string. So this is one version, and after that this is another version. Over here there is inbuilt variable, that is count, and this variable will count how many times you have performed replace operation. Okay, so I am just calling for this function, so you get whole idea about it. Okay, for example, this is our string for what I am looking. Okay, so for example, I am looking for, this is string 1, I am looking for parul. Okay, and I want to replace it with string number 3, that is in uppercase. Okay, now in which string I am looking for. So this is our string 2. Okay, so over here I am looking for now let me put another time parul. Okay, and just put semicolon over here, save this and refresh this page. Okay, so you got your answer. Welcome to programming with parul. Now you can see that over here this is converting, not convert exactly, it is replacement. Okay, your this parul is represent, it is replaced with this particular line. Let me just print. I want to what is subject of this function, that is my string 2. Okay, so I am just printing it as my output, so you get idea of that particular function. Okay, this one is our original string. Okay, and over here this is our after replace function. So this parul and this parul, it is replaced with this string. Okay, so this is search string, that means what for what we are looking. So that is parul, this is my string 3, for with what string we want to replace. So that is in uppercase parul. Okay, now this is a subject string, that means in which string we are going to perform this function, find and replace. Okay, and this one is count. Now let me just put one statement, echo break dot count. Okay, be careful about it, it should be $count, otherwise it will be considered as another function to find length of string. Okay, save this. Okay, 2. So what does it mean? That means you have performed replacement function 2 times. First one is over here, that is parul, over here replacement, and second time is over here. So this is str replace function. In previous version I just told you that there are 2 versions of this function. So in previous function it this part was just eliminated. Okay, only 3 argument like that. Okay, and over here it is just additional one. Okay, now after that there is function to break dot to find substring in particular string. So sub, and you got your suggestions over here. Okay, so I'm selecting this one. So substring, I want to find substring in which string I want sub part of particular string. So let's say 3, not exactly 3. I will do with string 2. Okay, this one, because it is lengthier than than 2. Now over here in second argument you need to pass starting position from where you want substring of that particular string. Okay, so let me put it let's say 5. okay, and you just need to see this. Okay, so now you can see this one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is fifth index M. So over here we got from the starting position to the end of this particular string. Okay, so this is what does it mean. It will return substring which will start from the starting index, that is 5, and till end of that particular string. For example, over here it is from this ME to this whole session. But if I add third argument, that is, let's say 15, and what will happen? So this will return substring starting from 5th index to 15th index. Okay, you just need to see this. Till now I haven't refreshed it. Just refresh it and you got your answer. Me to programming. Okay, so this is how this substring function works. Now after that, trim function. Okay, so echo break dot. Now you can see that over here, that is our trim function. Trim. So what does it mean, trim? It will just eliminate excessive space, tab, okay, like that. Now for that purpose I am just one space. Over here I am putting space plus tab. Over here is also tab, 2 tab. Okay, so this is our function. Now this is our trim function. Okay, and let me just put at backend side 2 tabs. Okay, save this and just refresh this page. And something, okay, this is not a variable. Our variable name is 2. Save, refresh. You got your answer. Welcome to programming with Parul. Now you can see that there is no any space over here, no any tab over here. Okay, this is eliminated, this in string. Now if I want to remove only left side portion or right side portion, that is another version of this trim function, that is ltrim and rtrim. So what does it mean? Ltrim will remove all the spaces which is at the starting of particular string, and rtrim will eliminate all the space or a tab that is inside, that is at the right hand side of particular string. Now there is another function, break dot, function name is UC, that is uppercase. Now over here you can see that there are 3 functions in suggestion. UC first. So what does this function will do? Make a string's first character to uppercase. After that there is another version, uppercase the first character of each word in the string. This is UC word. There is another function also. Okay, uppercase the first character of each word in a string. Return a string with the first character of each word in string capitalize if that character is alphabetic. Okay, so I am just using this function over here, and our variable is 2. Okay, now over here you can see that over here W is capital, but this, first of all remove this. Now we don't need it. Programming is lowercase. This is also lowercase. Okay, save this and just refresh this page. Okay, you can see that it got capital. It is also capital. This is also capital. So each so in string each word's first character is capitalized. Okay, so this is all about string functions, inbuilt string function in PHP. Now there are more than this. These are just important or a frequently used function, okay, but there are many more other than this. So you just keep practicing. Bye bye.